Hello team, my name is Frank. Today this video is going to show you how to clean Frankie Fresh 8000 juicer. First of all, we need to prepare gloves, multi-purpose cleaner, sanitizer, wet towel and paper towel. So now we're going to do the section 1, which is cleaning the fruit storage section. First of all, we need to remove the remaining oranges, put them into the empty crates. After that, we need to twist the fruit basket anti-clockwise. Take it out. Leave on the bench. And then we're going to remove this rotation plate. Leave it here. And this part is the storage of the oranges. We need to use multi-purpose cleaner, spray them, and then we clean, use a paper towel. And same with this part, we need a multi-purpose cleaning and use a paper towel to clean. Also double check the basket. If the basket's got some orange pulp or juice, we need to clean them as well. So once we finish this part cleaning, we need to put every single part back to their place. Same way, put it in. You can see this sign facing to the front. Once you're locked in, pull up. If stay, perfectly fine. Okay, now we're going to move to section 2, cleaning the juicer part. This is a very important part. First of all, we need to prepare a lined crate containing all the juicer components. Okay, first of all, we need to move this anti-splashing plate. Leave on the floor. Now we're going to move the side plastic chute. Press this one, move upwards, come off. That side, come off. We need to take this silver chute out. Leave it here. Now we take this one out, undo this screw. Take this filter out first. Remove the whole thing out. This one got a full sieve. Take the sieve out. So undo this one, ring, remove the whole thing. And now we undo the top ring. Now I bring the second lined crate to containing this part. So undo these two fixation screws. Together with this screw, we leave on the bench. They normally are not contaminated, so we can just, if there is, please use a paper towel to clean them. Now we take this main cover off. The main cover also fixed by the 2 pins here, so just pop them out and take it out. Leave them here. Now we're going to take the peel ejector from the peel ejector holder. Just on the peel ejector holder, just move this peel ejector this way. Right hand side, left hand side. And now we undo this fixation screw. Completely loose, and we take that out very carefully. And now we undo this up lower element together. You need the wing. Shake a little bit, make sure they're loose. Take them out together. Same as this part. Take them out nice together. And then we move the knife. Goes up here. And goes all the way to the silver ball here. Take it out. Pull up. Before we take this cover off, we need to undo this orange feeding tube. It'll come out like this. So pop out. So this one we don't need to take to wash. So just see if there is juice or something, just cleaner, and we'll leave on here. This is called the double zone cover. Separate the machine zone and the full zone. So just slow take them out, like holding this evenly. Take it out. So now this is the machine zone. So generally there's some juice here, a little bit here, splashed here. So what we use a multi-purpose cleaner, just spray them, and use a wet towel to wipe them, clean them. And then we use sanitizer and paper towel to do one more cleaning, and this part will be all done. Before we take all the components into the dishwasher, we need to clean this area. Okay, now there's another 4 components from the cabinet we need to remove to be put into dishwasher. First one is the drip plate, drip cup, this chute to the waste bin, and then we open the door. This is the last component, which is the juice guide. Once we finish the whole thing, before we take everything to the dishwasher kitchen to wash, we need to use white towel to clean up all the bench. And then we take the rubbish bin out, take all the rubbish out, and clear everything inside and outside. Make sure all clean, sanitize them, and then we move to the kitchen. Okay, all those components gonna go to the dishwasher except for the plastic cover and the plastic chute. So when we go to the kitchen, we need to use a pressure hose to rinse off the pulp, and then we apply multi-purpose cleaner. Let the detergent sit on the plastic for 5 to 10 minutes while we're doing other washing. And all those stainless steel parts and juicer parts can go to dishwasher. But before put the dishwasher, make sure you rinse off the pulp first, and then you lie them on the dishwasher tray. Set up 180 seconds wash mode. Once they wash, take it out, put back to the tray, and then we take back to the juicer for installation. And secondly, for this plastic cleaning, when you put this one on the bench, make sure put one sheet of paper towel or normal cloth towel to prevent the surface get scratched. Once they lie on the bench, you can use a wet towel to clean all those build up acid, and then we can rinse it off and then dry it by paper towel. We're gonna go through installation of the whole juicer. We start from the waste bin cabinet first. First of all, we're gonna put this one back. This is a juicer, waste juicer guide. And drip cup. The silver chute to the waste bin. It's wrong side. Wider part goes in first. This is drip plate. So now we're going to put the juicer components back to the juicer. So first of all, we're going to put this double zone cover. So we make sure this 2 holes smaller on the top, and this one facing down, the holder. Once this put in, we can put the tube back to the place. When you put it back, make sure the top one, this stopper is on the top. This one click into the hole. And these two holes lower need matching the hole on the cover. Do you see this line is no gap here? And then it's correct. And then we pull the lever. Make sure there's no gap, otherwise the lever cannot go inside the slot. After installation, make sure it's fixed tight. Next one, we install the knife. So knife is facing this way. The sharp part goes up. Make sure this half round matching this stainless steel ball, and then make sure slide down. Okay, and then we can't pull it out. And we install the squeezing elements. This one always upwards, this one's downwards. So for ball squeezing elements. And then we put this one in first. So this one, and then we take it out halfway. The top elements will find its own way, and then fit it in together. Make sure all the stainless steel shaft part is flush with the outer part of the fitting. Make sure they're all in nicely. And then we do the left hand side. Same way. Put that one in, find its way, and then move out, because they do need to go inside together. So done. And now we need to put the fuel ejector. Fuel ejector, this part need to go inside the ball, okay? And then this steel part need to go in through the holder. Okay, find the right side is very important. Because if I do this, this one I can't slide in, so this is the wrong side, so it must be on the left hand side. You make sure this one lining with the line of the lower element and the metal part along the holder, and then we slide in all the way in. Make sure. Nice, all done. Once this part finished, we put a cross holder. So the brand logo facing upwards, cross. We're going to come here slowly. Make sure the knife goes through the knife guide. This is knife guide. See the knife guide? So there's two knobs on this top one. Make sure all the knobs go into the holes and hold up, and then just clockwise tighten. Make sure it's tight. Then this is all done. Make sure all fixed. Now we'll put a cover on. So how to put a cover efficiently? Make sure this two high a little bit than the pin, so then they can hook it in and then go down. Now we need to install two fixation screws. Make sure they are tight as well. Okay, now we're going to put the silver tube back. We put this juice catcher here. Make sure to fit in. Fixation screw. So this is the ATS system. It's very important, the ATS system shaft go inside to this shaft hole. Okay. So when you put it in, this one facing outside, see this half round facing outside? So, okay, once you put it in, if you can't turn this nut, means it can install correctly. Otherwise, this won't work. Now we're going to install the tab. This pin's going to match the hole here. So how I do it is just make sure they are dropped into they'll match each other, and then let it sit down, and then I lock the ring up. Make sure it's tight. Same as here, you can see the hole here, and then I got a little pin here. Make sure in a level, and you go in slowly and locked in, and then just lock. Now this is all installed. Now we're gonna put the side plastic tubes back. Sure the inner tunnel groove is fitting 100% completely first. You can see lining up, and then we go here, and then we pull it down and locked up. And last thing, anti-splashing plate. Anti-splashing plates, we need to make sure this one slide into the ATS system first, and then the hole goes in here. So once installed, it's like this. All done. Thank you.